Okay, so eto na. Okay, so about our topic, it's about hello everyone! Kumusta kayo? Ayan, so ako nga pala ang inyong teacher for today. Ako nga pala si Teacher KB. You can call me Teacher KB. Okay, so welcome sa ating tutorial, math tutorial. So for today's lesson, sa mga KB learners ko, mega shoutout sa inyo. Okay, so for today's lesson, ayan, so I'm going to teach you on how to add and subtract similar fractions. So we're going to focus on the addition and subtraction of similar fractions. So yung dissimilar fractions, later on, itatackle din natin yan. Okay, so mag-focus muna tayo sa similar fractions. And are you ready? Ready na ba kayo? Ayan. So, umpisahan na natin, guys. Okay, so eto na. Okay, so about our topic, it's about a addition. Okay, this is about um, addition. Uh, so it's about addition and or subtraction of similar or like fractions. Okay, so para makapag-add or subtract tayo, so itataglish na natin. So meron tayong rule number one. So yung rule number one natin, so first, to add or subtract similar fractions, just simply add their numerators and then copy the denominator. Ayan, so yan yung ating rule number one. Napakasimple lang. And then yung rule number two natin, so your answer should always be in its simplest form or lowest term. Okay, so tatandaan nyo lagi nyong i-remind yung sarili ninyo. Yung sagot ko ba, naka-simplest form na ba, naka-lowest term na ba, ito na ba ito? Ayan. Okay, so let's have this as an example. Okay, when you say similar or like fractions, sa Tagalog, pareho. Okay, the same. So that is when your denominator or the denominator of the fractions are the same. For example, we have here 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7. So you notice that they both have the same denominator, which is 7. So we get 7 here and then another 7 here. Okay? So those are examples of similar fractions. And this one also using subtraction, 4/5 minus 1/5. So these are example of similar fractions because they both have the same denominator. So yan yung pinakamadaling way paano nyo masabi na ito ay similar or like fractions. Okay? Next is, again, so we need to add, okay, we need to add the following fractions na pinakita ko kanina. So yung first is 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7. So the rule number one is, if they have the same denominator, just copy the denominator, which is 7, and then simply add both numerators. I-add nyo lang yung numerators nyo. Okay, so which is 1, okay, plus 4 equals 5. Okay, and then copy the denominator. So the answer is 5 over 7. Ganon din dito sa subtraction natin. 4/5 minus 1/5 is equal to 3/5. Bakit? Kasi 4 minus 1 equals 3. And since they both have the same denominator, simply copy the denominator. So dahil 5 ang kanyang denominator, kinopya lang natin at inilagay natin siya dito sa ilalim. So, the answer is 3/5. So, lagi niyong tatandaan yung rule number 1 at saka rule number 2. Okay? So, is this your final answer? So, lagi niyong tatanungin, are my answers in simplest form? And the answer is yes. Yes, naka-simplest form na po yung ating answer. Okay. So how will you know that your answer or the fraction is in its simplest or lowest term? Okay. So for example, itong 5/7 natin, we all know na ang ating greatest common factor or yung common factor lang nila ay 1, which is 5 times 1 and 7 times 1. Wala nang other factors. And then same as 3/5, 3 times 1 and then 5 times 1. So, wala nang ibang factor kundi 1. So, ibig sabihin, yan na yung kanyang pinaka simplest form or lowest term. Okay, naintindihan ba? Okay, so proceed tayo sa next. Ayan. So yung next problem natin, ayan. So, medyo lumalaki yung ating given. So, we have 15 plus 24, ay 15/24 plus 3/24. So, dahil pareho ang kanilang denominator, which is 24, just copy 24. So, isusulat mo lang 24. And then, 15, i-add natin sa 3. So, we add the numerators. So, that will be 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So you're gonna have the answer of 18 and 24. Pero, oops, teka lang. Yung 18/24 na ba is the final answer. So sa ating rule number 2, kailangan your answer should be in its simplest form or lowest term. Ayan. So is it in simplest form? What do you think? So the answer is no. So yung 18/24, hindi pa siya yung pinaka-final answer natin. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Okay, we need to find the smallest possible equivalent fraction. Ayan. So paano natin magagawa yun? How will we going to find the smallest possible equivalent fraction of 18/24? Okay. So, magagawa natin yon if mahahanap natin yung GCF na tinatawag natin or yung tinatawag nating greatest common factor. Okay, we need to find the GCF or of our numerator and our denominator, which is 24. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng paraan kung paano mahanap ang GCF, meron kasi tayong dalawang method. So, meron tayong tinatawag na factoring method. Okay? So, meron tayong factoring method at yun muna yung ituturo ko sa inyo sa ngayon. Okay? So, para hindi kayo malito. So, isang method muna tayo. So, gawin natin yung 18/24. Ayan. Wait lang. Okay. Next natin ay 18/24. Ayan. Share natin yung ating Jamboard. So, ito. So, we have here 18/24. Ayan. So, 18/24. Find the smallest possible equivalent fraction. So, by finding the GCF using the method of um, factoring method. Okay, so 18. So, we all know that 18 has a factor of, si 18 meron siyang factor na 6 times 3, di ba? Which is 18. So, yung 6, okay, i-write ko muna siya dito. So, alam natin na yung factor ng 6 at saka yung 18 is 6 times 3. Tama? Then, yung 24 naman natin ay 6 times 4. So, kukunin ngayon natin ang kanilang mga prime factors. So, since yung 6 natin can be factored out into 2 times 3, okay? So, lalagay natin ay 2. Yung 6 natin ay 2 times 3. Okay? 2 times 3. And then, ikakopy natin ito pang another 3. Papansin nyo yung 3 natin? So, i-attach lang natin. So, idugtong lang natin dyan. And then, sa ating denominator na 24, so i-factor natin siya. So, 6 is also, anong factor ng 6? Again, 2 times 3. Okay. So, meron siyang natira. Anong natira? Meron tayong 4. So, lalagay natin yung 4. Ayan. Okay. So, 4. So, medyo hindi naman siya ganun kahirap, di ba, na similar fractions pa lang siya. Ayan. So, yung 2 and 2, ika-cancel natin yan kasi magiging equal yan sa 1. Tama? Kasi 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, cancel mo siya. 3, may partner siya na isa, cancel out mo siya. Okay, so may natira pa na 3, kaso 4 na lang yung sa baba. So, wala ka nang maka-cancel doon. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-cancel. Eh, kasi yung 3 hindi na siya divisible sa 4. So, ano yung natira natin? Ang natira natin ay 3/4. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ayan. Ibig sabihin, ang lowest term natin, okay, ang lowest term ng 18/24 ay 3/4. Ayan. So, ano naman itong na-cancel? Ano namang tawag dito sa na-cancel natin na 2 times 3 na yan? Diba pareho sila? Yung 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Sa baba, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Tama? Yung 6 natin, yun yung tinatawag nating GCF. Okay? Nakuha natin yung lowest term kasi, okay, kinuha natin yung kanyang GCF or nag-factoring din tayo. Okay? So, dun sa mga marunong nang kumuha on the spot ng GCF, so, dito pa lang sa first method natin, alam natin na ang common factor nila, greatest common factor nila ay 6. So, simply dinivide mo lang yung 18, dinivide mo lang sa 6. Kaya naging 18 divided by 6, kaya naging 3. 24, divide mo din siya sa 6 sa kanilang GCF, kaya naging 4. Okay? So, itong method, yung first method is by dividing the greatest common factor. And then, yung isang method natin is pinactor out natin yung bawat numbers or yung ating numerator at saka denominator. So, kung saan doon yung mas madali para sa inyo, yun yung gawin ninyo. But it really depends dun sa instructioning ng teacher ninyo kung ano yung method na gusto niyang ipagawa sa inyo. Okay? So, eto. Okay. So, yun na. Yun na siya. So, yung next naman natin, okay, is another, let's subtract 10/12 minus 4/12. Ayan. So, meron na tayong hint dahil pareho ang kanilang denominator. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is just copy the denominator, so which is 12. And then simply subtract the numerators. So, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So, my question is 6/12 is in its simplest form? Naka-lowest term na ba ang 6/12? Okay, hindi pa siya naka-lowest term. Right, you're right. Okay, so paano ang gagawin natin? So, gamitin natin factoring. Ano bang factor ng 6? So, meron tayong 2 times 3. Okay, how about 12? So, we all know that 12 has a factor of Si 12 meron siyang factor na 6 times 2, di ba? Equals 12. Okay, so ang gawin natin, yung 6 natin, kailangan pa natin i-factor yan. So, magiging 2 times 3 yan, which is equal to 6. So, 2 times 3, tapos kopyahin natin yung naiwan na 2. So, times 2, 12. And then, equal sign. Pasensya na sa sulat. Ayan. So, cancellation method, cancel yung both terms, yung common factor ng numerator and denominator natin. So, anong natira? So, meron tayong natira na 2 for your denominator. So, since 2 divided by 2, that will be 1, right? This will be 1. So, that means 1 times 1. So, understood na 1 yung ating numerator. So, the answer will be 1 half. So, therefore, 10 over 12 minus 4 over 12 is equivalent to 1 half. So, that will be our final answer. Okay? Nakuha? Okay, so nakuha niyo guys. So hopefully no, may natutunan kayo. Ayan. Okay, so continue natin. So, yun nga. Okay. So, maraming salamat sa ating mga K-learners. And yun nga, sana may natutunan po kayo. Ayan. So, ayan yung solve natin kanina. Ayan, so may questions po ba? Any questions so far? So may questions po kayo, just feel free to drop your comment and suggestions in the comment section or comment box below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video ko, any suggestion, ayan. Kasi itong video na ito ay gusto ko talaga matulungan yung ating mga, especially yung ating mga slow learners. Okay, so yung aking explanation is designed para sa ating mga slow learners dyan. Sa mga medyo hindi pa gamay masyado ang fractions. Okay? So thank you to all Kinetic learners, sa aking mga KB learners. At this is Teacher KB and see you on the next lesson. Okay, abangan nyo po ang next lesson. This is the addition and subtraction of dissimilar or unlike fractions. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.